Hi family, welcome to the channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do another wash day routine for baby Nadia's hair, and that is exactly what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to be trying rice water on baby Nadia's hair for the very first time. I'm also going to be trying castor oil for her hair for the first time as well. But there is going to be a twist. Instead of using rice water, I'm going to be using rice milk, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to prepare the rice milk. So let's get right into the video. So to prepare the rice water or rice milk, I'm going to be using this clear bowl, half a cup of rice, and some warm water to wash the rice off. I'm just going to wash the rice in this warm water and then set it down for a little bit to let it soak. After that, I'm going to drain the water off and then I'm going to add a little bit more water. As I always say, the measurements are not important. For baby Nadia's rice water, just because I don't want her hair to smell bad, I'm not going to let it sit overnight. I'm only going to let it sit for about 4 hours and then I'll move on to the next step. This is called plain rice water. So it's been about 4 hours. So I'm going to move on to the next step. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be using this blender to make the milk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my rice water to the blender. After that, I'm just going to cover my blender and then blend the rice and the rice water. This is what creates the rice milk, because normally you would only use the water from the rice, but in this case I'm actually blending the rice. This is another method of making your rice water. After that, I'm going to use my clear bowl again and then sift out the rice water. Then I'm just going to use this tiny little spray bottle and a funnel to transfer my rice water. I'm going to place the lid back on it and voila, here we go. Okay, now moving on to little Miss Nadia. In order to do this, I just like to give her as many toys as possible. In this case, she's watching her cartoons. It is very important to distract the kids. That way, they don't really pay attention to what you're doing. So all I'm doing here is just spraying the rice water onto her hair. You guys know that baby Nadia is really good when she's getting her hair done, especially when she's distracted. What I normally do is I like to feed her first, make sure she's full, make sure she's had her nap so she's not tired, and then just give her toys or put the TV on so that she's distracted. So now I'm just working the rice water into her hair, making sure to get her scalp and the rest of her hair. So then after that, I'm going to take this plastic cap, put it on her head, and then take this little head wrap, it's like a towel, put it on top of the plastic wrap and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. So I'm just letting her play while we wait for the time to be up. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. We are ready to wash her hair. So I'm just going to take the plastic cap off. I don't know, it made her hair feel really dry. It doesn't look dry here, but it made her hair feel really dry and shrink a lot. It doesn't really show or look like it's dry, but that's just how it felt. anyways, I'm going to be using this Aveeno baby shampoo. This is for body and hair as well. So I'm just going to use that to wash the rice water out of her hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the shampoo and conditioner out. So this is what her hair looks like. As I said, it made her hair shrink a lot and it doesn't look dry here, but it feels a little dry, so I don't know. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever used rice water on her hair, so I'm not sure what to think just yet. So I just went ahead and finished up her shower and then cover her hair back with this head wrap. This is how I let her hair air dry. So now her hair is completely air dried. I'm going to be using this Jamaican black castor oil. And secondly, because her hair feels so dry, I'm going to be using this Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells absolutely amazing and it makes the hair so soft and moisturized. I'm not sure if it's the rice milk or rice water, but her hair shrunk a lot and it also feels really dry, which is the reason why I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner. As I said, this leave-in conditioner you'll see in a minute, but it smells so good and it also makes her hair so soft. See how I can just rub my hands through her hair? It makes it so soft, and as you can see, her hair is starting to loosen up just by applying the leave-in conditioner. And then next, I'm going to apply the Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to make sure to get the ends of her hair, get her scalp. But she started to get annoyed with me, so I had to hurry up and finish up. Actually going out for breakfast. It's about 11, almost 12. So we're actually going out for brunch. So I'm not going to braid it this time. I'm just going to let her rock her afro. It looks super cute and super moisturized. So I'm just going to let her rock her afro. And as you can see, she's smiling because I think she can tell we're done. She's like, thank goodness. But yeah, this is basically it, y'all. I'm going to have to keep you guys posted on the rice water on baby Nadia's hair. As for me personally, I don't use the rice water a lot. I only use it once or twice a month, but I've never used it on baby Nadia's hair. This would be the first time. So I have to keep you guys posted on what the results are. But that is it for this video, guys. A lot of you guys were asking me to do another wash day routine for her. So this is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know what part of the video you like. And also, guys, I want you guys to comment the word Linda down below because the last tutorial I did for baby Nadia's hair got a lot of views, and for some reason a lot of people kept commenting Linda. So I want you guys to comment Linda down below and tell me what it means. I think it's a Hispanic word, so please go ahead and comment Linda down below. And if you know what it means, please go ahead and leave the definition down below as well. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.